Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Vaginal rash, causes of discomfort and relief. A vaginal rash can cause symptoms like redness, itching, pain, soreness, bumps, and discharge. Possible causes of vaginal rashes without itching include folliculitis, genital warts, and genital herpes. Possible causes of vaginal rashes with itching include contact dermatitis, lichen planus, scabies, pubic lice, yeast infections, and psoriasis. Home treatments for minor vaginal rashes include cleaning the area with warm soapy water, air drying, and avoiding lotions/scented products. Healthcare providers can diagnose the cause of a vaginal rash and provide appropriate treatment, which may include medications like topical creams, oral antifungals, or steroids. For chronic vaginal rashes, management strategies include taking prescribed medications, using cool compresses, avoiding picking at sores, and wearing loose-fitting clothing. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. =speak